Let's see how substitutions and personalization work. As I mentioned in the previous video, you can insert a name like this by double-clicking the column header. In the same way, you can insert any value, for example, the company name. Next, let's look at the options, such as, for example, variations. When setting up this kind of structure, one of the values inside these curly braces will be chosen when sending the message. To check how this will work, you need to click the preview button and then regenerate. And we can see how the substitutions and variations change. Now let's complicate things. We'll use variations and permutations simultaneously, or more precisely, choosing a random value within the permutations. Here is what it looks like. Now, one more detail. When you write a message, you usually send the same number of lines, which the anti-spam system is very sensitive to. And in order to always send a different number of lines, we use a line break, for example, in a structure like this. And in this particular structure, the second part of the message will either be on the exact same line as the first part, or it will appear on the second line. Let's check it. Here it is right here on the very first line, and here it is again just as before on the second line. That is, 2 lines in the message or 1 line will be chosen randomly. In exactly the same way as before, you can easily construct multiple different lines, so you will actually have quite a lot of variability, which can really help to completely confuse the anti-blocking system. Substitutions, as I mentioned, are added with a double click. When refreshing the page or closing it, absolutely everything is saved. You can continue the mailing on any day at any moment.